Welcome back to yet another video. My name is Ben and today we are going to look at Vechain. This is the last of our altcoins which we cover. I will show this you on our website. In this section you can see all the coins which we cover in our cryptocurrency portfolio, Bitcoin and Ethereum of course, and these 5 altcoins which we have chosen to cover: Link, Solana, Vechain, Phantom. We covered every other coin at least once in the last weeks here on our YouTube channel, and today I will cover Vechain and show you guys our charts. So let's start with the basics. We had the last cycle low right here back in December when pretty much the whole cryptocurrency market had a substantial rally and relieved most investors, and I have reason to believe that we found our cycle bottom right here at this support. I wrote the exact price down here. So, and to show you this additionally, where is Vechain? It's right. Here, sorry. We wrote about Vechain a few weeks ago. Back then we had this massive correction and highlighted the importance of this blue trading zone, and since then we managed to gain a little on the upside, but traded inside of a wedge, I think, and had this consolidation. So, and here we are on March and April 4th, and we have the exact situation here that we are still trading inside of this sideways trend, and I expect that we will break out of this in the next days, and the wave 3 target is set up here at merely 5 cents. It will be really interesting to watch this coin because this is the more riskier altcoin, because I don't know if this coin will manage to participate in another cycle. Coins like Chainlink and Solana have a much better chance at this, but I think it has a lot of potential too, and we will see where we will be headed. And of course, I forgot to say it, we are of course positioned in this altcoin back of the 29th of July last year and pretty much stayed at the same price since then. So, and right now to the chart, we expect this wave 3 to unfold in the next 2 to 3 weeks until May, and we should reach 5 cents just like I said, have this wave 4 correction, and finally wave 5, which should push us a little bit over 5 cents. It really depends on how much bullish momentum we pick up down here, and that it could really mean that we see prices of 6 cents or even 7. It really depends on how big this wave 3 will be, but just be ready to much higher prices on the upside, and this target could be, I think I spoke with my colleagues about this, the 2.4 extension or even the 2.6 extension is perfectly possible. This would mean that the whole microwave 1 would finish up here. So much to the short-term count. And just like in every other coin, I want to show you guys the whole count of ours since the last cycle top. We topped here in April 2021, that's a long time ago, and since then established this 5-wave bearish impulse, ABC upward, wave B. This is a classic zigzag, as most Elliot Wave traders should know, and established this huge wave C, and all in all we crashed by 95%, nearly 95%. That's a huge loss, but leaves a lot of potential for us. So, and just that you guys understand the bigger picture, I think it's always important to show everyone here the big picture so you can understand the scenario of ours much better. This is the wave 1, 2 we are facing right now, macro wave 1, macro wave 2, and after that, of course, we would start the real bull market, but I think we will really have to wait until the halving next year in Bitcoin to start of the bull run. So, and to the price targets, this is very important to know for you guys, and I think most of you here enjoy this section very much, where I talk about future price targets. So we had this cycle, like I described, cycle top 1, cycle bottom 2, and I just spotted a slight mistake. I'm sorry, this is cycle top 3. The cycle target is at 40 cents or the 46 cents. It really depends on how the coin will behave in the next bull run, but I really think that 40 cents should be doable, or even 46, but we will have to observe and wait. That's all I can say at the moment. And of course, from the time frame, we at Mint Capital expect that the top of the next bull run in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other altcoins will be in around May or April 2025. It could, of course, be sooner or later. We will have to watch the situation, and of course I will talk about this in the next cycle roadmap video. Check in, this is very important if you invest in cryptocurrencies. I think it is of such importance to know how the cycles in Bitcoin behave, and how the past events turned out, and I will tell you guys some things which we expect for the next bull run. So that's all I have to say about Vechain at the moment. We expect that the 4 cent level should be broken in the next weeks, and 5 and 6 cents would be better. So a lot of Vechain holders can have a huge relief rally, and I am excited about how this trade will play out. Stay tuned for the cycle roadmap in Bitcoin, and have a nice week. Goodbye.